Good morning, children. Today I am solving the previous year question paper from triangle. So, question is, in triangle ABC, AD perpendicular to BC and AD square is equal to BD into CD. Prove that AB square plus AC square is equal to BD plus CD whole square. This is a figure. AD is perpendicular to BC, they have given. So, when you draw the perpendicular to the base of a triangle, so you will get two right triangles. One I have shaded, another one I haven't shaded. Okay. Now, so this is the given condition. This is the given condition. So this has to be proved. So moving on to the proof part, you get two right triangles. One is the shaded part, another one is the unshaded part. For both the right triangles, that is ABD triangle, when you use Pythagoras theorem, you will get AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Next, in triangle ADC, you will get angle D equal to 90 degree, that is right triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, you will get AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. You have to number 1 and 2. Now what you have to do, consider the first one, that is AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. So now in the proof part, you want AB square already you have. When you consider the first one, only you need AC square. So what I am doing is, you have to add AC square on both the sides. So plus AC square on LHS plus AC square on the RHS. Okay. Now that you have to give the reason adding AC square on both the sides. Now AB square plus AC square is equal to AD square plus BD square plus AC square. In the second equation, what is AC square? AD square plus CD square. That is what I have written instead. For this AC square, I have written AD square plus CD square. This is from 2. Next, AB square plus AC square is equal to AD square. They have given the condition for the AD square. What is that? BD into CD. So that I am substituting here. That is AD square is nothing but BD into CD plus BD square. Again AD square you have, the value is BD into CD, what they have given, plus what you have here, this is CD square plus CD square. So that is what you have to write. It is given. Okay. Now in the next step, I have underlined in the pencil BD into CD plus BD into CD. So in the next step, you will get AB square plus AC square is equal to BD square. BD into CD into BD into CD, you will get 2 times of BD into CD plus what is left out, CD square. So BD is A, CD is B, that is this whole right hand side is in the form of A square plus 2AB plus B square. So what the formula, A square plus 2AB plus B square is A plus B whole square. So that is what I have used, that is equal to BD plus CD whole square. LHS already we got by adding AC square on both the sides. Now how you get the RHS? By getting in the form of A square plus 2AB plus B square. Finally you will write the formula for that. So hence we have proved it. Thank you.